The reason why beginner freestylers are always advised to learn the basic tricks first is because as you explore your freestyle journey, you're going to want to start doing advanced tricks. And advanced tricks in freestyle football are just combination of those basic tricks. So in this video, we're learning an advanced trick called the homie TOUZANI around the world, which is basically a combination of the around the world and the hop the world. So let's get into it. Like I mentioned before, this trick is a combination of the around the world and the hop the world. Hence, step 1, around the world. But you will do the around the world slightly higher than you normally would, just so you have enough time for the of the world. Just slightly higher than you normally would. Think about it like a half around the world, where you do the around the world, but you don't land with the same foot. Step number 2, the hop the world. So after doing the around the world in step number 1, without any extra touch in between, just do the hop the world, and there you have it, the homie TOUZANI around the world. But what you should keep in mind is that when landing this trick, you need to keep your toes pointing upward, just so the ball is going to come back up to you to continue juggling. So that's the end of the video, guys. But remember, make sure you can already do the around the world and the hop the world before you attempt this trick, because obviously it's going to make it easier for you. So if you love the video, leave a like, tell me your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out.